Bewitchments by Eda McCoy. That's what I'm talking about today. I'm going to tell you all about it and all about what I think about it. But stay tuned all the way to the end because I'm going to share one of the spells with you from the book, why I love it, and how you can make it your own. Hello, my beautiful friends. Thanks again for joining me today. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Tanya. On this channel, I share with you some of my favorite ways to bring a little more magic into your life. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Today, I'm talking about Bewitchments by Eda McCoy. It was put out in the year 2000 by Llewellyn Publications. It has 4 short chapters before it begins its grimoire of over 90 spells to help you find that special someone. Those 4 short chapters are the intriguing potential of love spells, the new science of romance, making love magic work, and assessing your results. And then it jumps into a grimoire of over 90 spells to help you find that special someone. I really like this book because the short chapters that it has preceding the grimoire are very compact, very super informative without being too lengthy, which I really hate things that drag on and on and on, so it really gets to the meat of things, and I really like that. The spells themselves also have a short little description before each one of them to give you a little bit of background about the spell so you can put a little bit more energy into it. Now, before I share this spell with you, if you're getting value out of this video, please smash the like button. The Lavender Violet, Lavender Green spell is actually the very first spell on the very first page of the book. It is so super simple. All you want to do is take a lavender candle and a piece of rose quartz. While you're getting ready to go out and meet a potential lover, you'll light the candle and set the rose quartz next to it. And you'll say, "Lavender violet, lavender green, no more am I blue, I've found my king," or queen. After you get ready and you're on your way out, you'll take the rose quartz and carry it with you in your pocket to carry the energy of the spell with you. I love the simplicity of this spell. It's just a candle and a crystal that you carry in your pocket. But what I really love about it is how adaptable it is. Say you have a need for money. You might light a green candle and carry some peridot in your pocket. Or for any purpose, you could simply light a white candle and carry a clear quartz in your pocket. For me, to make this spell my own and give it that extra special oomph, I like to inscribe the candle either with my name or someone else's name or a combination of names and any kind of symbols that I can think of at the moment to write into the candle. Sometimes I'll take something sharp, an X-Acto knife or a sewing needle and actually write it in the candle, or lacking that, take a Sharpie and write on the candle. You can take a white candle and use any color Sharpie. The sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination and whatever energy that you're trying to put into the candle. The other thing I like to do is anoint my candles. I super like this general attraction oil. It's good for love, money, all kinds of stuff. Or you could get more specific and use something like a lucky hand oil. This one is from 7 Sisters. Now remember, with this spell, we're trying to attract something. So we'll take a little bit of that oil and put it in the palm of our hand and then anoint the candle from the ends towards the center because we're drawing to us. If we're trying to push away, then we would go from the center towards the end. But like I said, this spell is to attract something. So we're going to put that oil on from the ends to the center. Once we have that good and anointed and we have it inscribed with all of our intentions, then we light the candle and set our crystal by it. Then take the crystal and carry it in our pocket. So if you like that spell, check out my playlist, Making Magic Happen. And for more information and in-depth behind the magic, check out my playlist, Behind the Magic. Consider smashing that like button if you got value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, the hardest part is getting started.